One of the absolute most important things when you own a rental property, and this is going to sound kind of small and dumb, is the move-in inspection. So when you own a rental property, you move a new tenant in, and most people know you have to do a move-in inspection. If you didn't, pay attention. You need to do a move-in inspection to document the condition of the property at the time that they move in. The reason is because that tenant is going to put a security deposit down, and at the end of their tenancy, they're inevitably going to want that whole security deposit back. If they didn't cause any damage or whatever, then they may get it all back. But if they cause damage in the property and you want to withhold funds from that security deposit to pay for those damages, you need to be able to prove in court, should it go there, that you were in the right to charge them for this damage or the repairs or whatever's happening. So the move-in inspection, I swear it seems like this little detail amongst a million other pieces of paper for paperwork with rental properties, but this is critical. So even if the people who do move-in inspections, I feel like most people write it out or whatever, and most people tend to only take pictures of things that are wrong. So like, I don't know, if there's a loose door frame, they take a picture of that or whatever. Absolutely, hands down, the most important thing of the move-in inspection is pictures. Take pictures of everything in good condition, in bad condition, everything possible, because ultimately you can write all you want, but ultimately what's going to hold up in court the easiest are pictures. So I have a tenant right now who says, oh, well, the carpet was destroyed when I moved in. Well, was it? Because the move-in inspection, unfortunately, I didn't know how poorly done this move-in inspection was, but all it says is like carpet or flooring, check mark, okay. That's it. No details, no pictures, no nothing. So and I know the carpet was in good condition when she moved in, but her saying that it wasn't, aside from this little green check mark, which probably isn't going to hold up in court, I don't have a big leg to stand on to say you're wrong, and therefore I'm charging you for this. So anytime you're dealing with a rental property, anytime you move in a new tenant, do the most thorough property inspection, move-in inspection possible. And if you have property managers, make sure that they do a thorough one and make them show it to you. Because I've had good property managers in the past who are like, oh, we know what we're doing. And I'm like, okay. And that's what happened with this one that it just says green check mark. Okay. Well, guess what's not going to hold up in court? So whether you're landlording yourself, make sure you take all the pictures and do full documentation of the whole property. If you're working with a property manager, make them show you their move-in inspection. And if it's not thorough or it's missing pictures, say, hey, I need that. Because ultimately, they're not going to be the ones on the hook for losing part of the security deposit payment. You are. So it's important. And I'm so far into my rental property investing career, and I never really put a lot of stake in this. And I'm about to have a mega turnover, ridiculous level of turnover. And I'm about to not be able to charge her a lot of her security deposit when the damage was blatantly from her. So heed my advice. Move-in inspection. Arguably the most important piece of paperwork you're going to have as a rental property owner.